to do the assignment where you are going to put together a slide for a virtual art exhibition. You're going to look through your work from the distance learning period, and you're going to pick what you believe is your best work. So I'm going to use this artwork. This is a student artwork from first trimester. So we didn't do this particular assignment, but I just want you guys to see that I have an artwork. And the first thing I'm going to do once I've picked my artwork is to write my artist statement. So I have my artist statement document back here. And the first thing I'm going to do is describe my artwork. So notice that the directions say write at least one complete sentence for each question. Once finished, copy all the text in this column, in the right column, into your artist statement. So I have to write at least one complete sentence. At least does not mean that's the total that you can write. You can write more if you have more to say. But I would like one good sentence at least. So describing my artwork, I might say, my artwork is an abstract texture collage. The colors, how would you describe the colors? The colors are pastel, purples, and pinks. Okay, so that's sentence. That's first prompt, right? How did I create my artwork? My collage was created digitally using Adobe Photoshop. The texture paintings that I used for my collage were created in Art Rage Studio. Okay, what is the big idea behind your artwork? What or who inspired it? So in this case, my collage was inspired by abstract art. I didn't want it to represent a picture of any kind, so it's just lines and shapes. The feeling I tried to create in this collage was of calm and soothing. As you can see, it's actually pretty easy to write more than one sentence, so I encourage you to do that. Try to answer the questions as completely as you can. What were my goals? My goals for my collage were to make all the different textures fit together in a pleasing way. As an artist, I am trying to learn new ways of making art, and this digital texture collage helped me learn a new way. What are your overall thoughts of your artwork? You know, I'm pretty happy with my artwork here. I think it came out really nice. The colors are fitting. It has a nice flow to it. So the final artwork is better than I imagined it would be. I think it has a nice flow. It fits together well, and I think it's pretty. So now that I have my artist statement written, what I'm going to do is go ahead and open up my art gallery slide.